If your ChatGPT account has been flagged for potential abuse, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and safest way to try to fix it step by step. We'll cover what to do right away, how to reduce suspicious activity, and how to contact support if the issue still doesn't go away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful guides. First, the most important thing to do is stop using the account for a little while. If you keep trying to log in over and over or keep refreshing the page, that can sometimes make the problem worse. So the first step is to pause all activity for 24 to 48 hours. Give the account some time to cool down, and avoid repeated login attempts during that period. This simple step can sometimes help the warning clear on its own. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy service you may be using. One of the most common reasons an account gets flagged is unusual network behavior, and VPNs can trigger that. So if you have a VPN enabled, disable it completely. If you're using a proxy, turn that off too. Then try signing in again using your normal internet connection. In many cases, just switching back to a regular network can help, because it makes your activity look more normal and consistent. Now let's secure the account. Open ChatGPT and click on your profile in the app or website. From there, go into Settings, then click Security. If you haven't already added a password, add one now, or if you already have one, change it to something new and strong. This helps protect the account in case there was any suspicious access, or if the system wants to verify that you are the real owner. Use a password you have not used anywhere else and make sure it is difficult to guess. After that, if the account is still flagged or you still can't access it properly, the next step is to contact support. Again, start by clicking on your profile, then go to Help. Inside the Help section, look for the option to report a bug or submit a request. Fill out the form carefully and explain the issue clearly. Mention that your ChatGPT account was flagged for potential abuse, that you've already stopped activity, turned off any VPN or proxy, and changed your password. The more clearly you explain the situation, the easier it is for support to review it. When you submit the request, be patient. Support responses can take some time, especially if there are a lot of requests in the queue. While you wait, don't keep opening new reports unless necessary, and don't spam login attempts. Just leave the account alone and check back later for a response. So to recap, the best way to fix a ChatGPT account flagged for potential abuse is to stop activity for 24 to 48 hours, disable any VPN or proxy, secure your account by changing the password, and then contact support through the Help and Report Bug option if needed. These steps give you the best chance of restoring normal access safely. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.